Hello friends, welcome to my new video on BLDC fans. When you talk of power savings, the first appliances that comes to mind are the ACs and refrigerators at home. However, do you know that your ceiling fan can consume more power than your fridge? Yes, the regular ceiling fans are the second highest power consumers after the ACs, if you have one. However, you can reduce the electricity consumption of the ceiling fan by switching over to BEE rated, that is 5-star rated ceiling fans. I have already done a video on 5-star rating. If you haven't watched that, please go to the description of this video. I have pasted the link over there. Now going one step further and using the fan with BLDC motors can help you conserve more energy than the regular fans, and we will see how it is done in this video. And also you can answer the following questions by watching this video. Which motor is used in conventional fan? What is a BLDC fan? What are the BLDC motors? How does a BLDC fan work? Is BLDC motor an AC motor? Is BLDC fan energy efficient? What are the advantages of BLDC fans? And finally, what are the main advantages of a BLDC fan over a conventional or ordinary fan? So a conventional fan is basically a capacitor start and run single phase induction motor. The only advantage is that it is rugged in construction and comparatively higher efficiency. But this is becoming outdated these days because of many reasons. The main reason is that being BLDC fans are becoming popular. BLDC is the new revolution in the fan industry, and BLDC motors can help you conserve more energy than the regular fans. And it is only a matter of time before the old inefficient induction motor fans will be replaced by small super efficient BLDC fans. And BLDC fans technology has been in the market for many years now, and it is widely used in industries where high torque motors are required. What was missing so far is the application in ceiling fan, but this is rapidly changing. Now coming to BLDC motors, this BLDC stands for brushless DC motors, and they are essentially trapezoidal type permanent magnet AC motors. That is, the BLDC motor is a synchronous motor powered by a DC electric source. It uses an integrated inverter power supply to produce an electrical signal to drive the motor, and it has many advantages like high torque to weight ratio, more torque per watt, enhanced reliability, reduction in noise, longer lifespan, and smaller because its body has lesser heat to dissipate. To explain BLDC technology in simpler terms, BLDC uses a combination of permanent magnets and electronics to achieve the kind of efficiency and performance it delivers. A BLDC fan composes mainly of three things: a stator, permanent magnet stator, then a rotor, then a set of electronics. The assembly of the motor can be explained in the images as shown here. And the electronics contains the driving algorithm which drives the BLDC motor as discussed earlier in the BLDC motor, and the position of the magnets in the fan is sensed by electronics that either uses a Hall effect sensor or back EMF sensor. And the modern BLDC motors use back EMF for commutation due to proven disadvantages of Hall effect sensors over a period of time. And the housing basically supports the windings in BLDC motors, and it explains why you can cool the motor by conduction. And it does not require any airflow to the internal cooling, thereby implying that the motor parts have full protection from dirt and other foreign matter. And the super efficient fans today use the BLDC motors instead of the traditional ones, and these motors help to reduce your electricity consumption by an average of 65% per month. Now, an ordinary fan versus BLDC fan. This table should help you understand the difference between the traditional fans and the ones with the BLDC motors. Here you can see the different speed settings for a single speed, double speed, 3, 4, 5, etc. The BLDC motor fan wattages are given 6 watts, 10 watts, and it goes up to 28 watts. Then the traditional ceiling fans, it comes from 16 watts, and even it goes up to 75 watts. Thus you can see that the BLDC motor fan consumes less power as compared to the traditional ceiling fans, and we shall now translate these power savings in absolute terms to understand how the BLDC fans can save you money in long run. Okay, say assume the fan run for about 15 hours a day on an average. With this assumption, let us compare the economics of regular fans and the BLDC motor fans, and you will be surprised to see the savings. So this is the approximate cost. A regular fan may cost up to 15 or 1600. BLDC fan may be from 3300 and so on. And the consumption of power regular 75 and BLDC 28 watt, and hourly consumption of ampere units is given, and the daily consumption is given. And if you calculate the yearly consumption, a regular fan 410 units and BLDC fans around 153 units, and if you consider a 6 per unit, then the average amount per year will be for a regular fan 2463 and for the BLDC around 900. And this table shows that you recover the difference in the actual cost within 2 years. Other than the savings of consumption of electricity, you have additional benefits with the BLDC fans. These fans comes with a remote control unit, thereby allowing you to switch on and off the fan easily. And these BLDC motor fans comes with a timer and sleep mode that will enable you to set a specific time limit, the number of hours while sleeping. And the technology reduces the speed of the fan gradually after some time, and it enables you to save more electricity. You can see the amount of power it consumes at low speeds. You do not have to get up at night to control the regulators. Thus we have seen the BLDC motor fans are extremely efficient, energy efficient. So I'll recommend you all to change from the normal conventional fan to the BLDC fans as soon as possible, and savings will be there in your energy bills. So that is all for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.